Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Final day at Paul's place. We got everything we need in the car. All the coolant hoses hooked up, all the vacuum hoses hooked up, batteries hooked up. Something ran for a few seconds. The belt's walked off of this gear just a little bit, but we got coolant in here and we are ready to rock and roll. That's where the timing belt is right now. We're going to see where it ends up when we start the car. So it's barely hanging off that sprocket, but I think we're ready to crank it. Turn and burn. Paul got the battery charged. She's gonna hit the starter, see what happens.
Come on, no wipers. You guys been playing around in here, right?
Okay, just hit the starter, don't worry about all that.
Do it by itself?
Yeah, that's okay. It'll stop in a second. All right, see, it's pressurizing the fuel thing. Let me look under it, make sure nothing's leaking. All right, everything looks good. Do it again. There she blows. And the belt's tracking good. So we're going to let this run for about a minute or a couple of minutes and shut it off. Wait till I tell you. The car was running and a massive amount of oil leak out. And when I come back up here, I thought it was this rear cam seal, but I see there's a screw hole with oil pouring out of it. So I don't know how many screw holes is like that. So we're going to crank it and see how many places oil pours out of. Go ahead, hit the starter.
Turn it off?
Yeah, try to start it. All right, cut it off. Looked like just that one hole.
You saw it?
All right, thank you. Yeah.
Is it a bolt that goes?
Back here with this cylinder head catastrophe with Paul. Not sure what we're going to do. Normally the Volvo heads have a engine number there. Has Sweden there. I believe it's a Volvo head. Not sure what it goes to though. So I'm going to try to brush that off with a wire brush and see what's under there. I went and looked at a cylinder head on the C30. And right there it has the engine number etched in there. It has Sweden over there like this one has, but it also has that rear bolt pattern. So I'm not 100% sure this engine doesn't belong to a Ford, but something's different about it because we had an oil leak problem and we don't have holes to mount our bracket. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.